In this video I'm going to talk about truth tables. Basically a truth table is working out all the different possible outcomes there are based on two or more statements. So in this case I have two statements. I have statement P, which is I wear a baseball cap. I have statement Q, I wear an earring. And I could take the negation of each statement. Not P is I do not wear a baseball cap. Not Q, I do not wear an earring. So if we want to look at all the possibilities with these two statements, I could have one possibility would be I wear a baseball cap and I wear an earring. So basically that would mean that the first statement is true and the second statement is true. I could also wear a baseball cap but not wear an earring. In this case, the first statement is true. I'm wearing a baseball cap. The second one is false. I'm not wearing an earring. I can also not be wearing a baseball cap but be wearing an earring. So in this case, the first statement is false, no baseball cap. Second statement is true, an earring. My last possibility is if I'm not wearing either a baseball cap or an earring. In that case, false, I'm not wearing a hat. False, I'm not wearing an earring. Now we're going to go into the not P column. And basically not P is I do not wear a baseball cap. So I do not wear a baseball cap, I'm wearing one. Therefore that statement is false here. If I look at this one, I do not wear a baseball cap, that's false because here's the baseball cap. Oops. In this situation, I do not wear a baseball cap is true. I do not wear a baseball cap is also true down here. Now if you notice, the not P is always just the exact opposite of the P. Now let's look at an OR statement. An OR statement is one or the other has to be true for the whole statement to be true. In this case, I am wearing a hat or I am wearing an earring. That is true. In this case, I am wearing a hat, good, or I am wearing an earring. That's still true because I'm wearing a hat. In this case, I'm wearing a hat is not true, but I am wearing an earring, therefore the statement is also true. And in this case, I'm not wearing a hat or an earring, therefore the statement is false. Now again, for OR, as long as one of the two is true, the whole thing is true. Okay, let's go to AND. In the AND situation, both statements have to be true in order for the statement to be true. It means, in this case, that I'm wearing both a baseball cap and an earring. So looking at here, I'm wearing a baseball cap, true. I'm wearing an earring, true. Therefore, the statement is true. Here, I'm wearing a baseball cap, but I'm not wearing an earring, so the statement, baseball cap and earring, is false. Same thing here, I'm not wearing both, therefore the statement is false. And in this situation, same thing. False, false gives me a false. So to summarize, if you have a OR statement, only one of the statements has to be true. And if you have a AND statement, then both P and Q have to be true. Thank you.